Yeah, guys. So we are in the fourth challenge. Implement a customer sentiment-based actions. Right. Done. Okay. So now, first we can go here. Quick find box. Flows. Flows. Click on here. New flow. Click on here. New flow. Just you have to select a template. Right. How to select the template that is prompt prompt triggered. Right. This one. Select this. Right, I want automatic inputs. I want automatic inputs. Record summary template compatibility. Right. So what's that? Record 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 summary template compatibility. Right. So what was the object type? Right. So messaging session. Done. Okay. Next. Okay. Now we close this. Now add the element action. Here just we have to find out get right transmission for the record. Copy this. Done. Description. Description. Record ID. Okay. Prompt template. Inputs. Messaging session. And from here, I need session ID. Session ID. Done. Next. That's it. Now you can come here. Add a prompt instructions. Add prompt instructions. Description. From here, the very slow, very slow. This one. Click on here, save, and the description. Save it, then activate it. Activate it. Done. Now you can go to the setup, then go to the prompt builder. Go to the prompt builder. Prompt builder. Click on wait. Prompt builder. Click on here. New prompt template. Right. So then here select the record summary. Record summary. Right. So summarize message session. Description. object, what's that? Messaging session. Next. Copy paste this prompt, paste it here. We need to change this under this, right? Now remove this within the brackets, what we have with the brackets, right? Now uh, messaging session code snapshot, and from here before the comma, flows, this one, done. Okay, then click on here, save, and activate this. Done. Okay, next we need to create a flow. Go here, home, go to the flows, select the flow, new flow, select auto launcher flow, new flow, select auto launch flow, right? So get records, right? No, not this one. Get record this one. This is the right. The description, right. Object, session, I just select the new resource, variable, session ID, description, data type is text, variable for input, done, variable for the input. Next, we need to add so one more action. Come here, just to click on here, add action. What was that? Summarize. This one. Copy. Right. Now, so what was the name? The description. Next, messaging session from top resource. That's it. Right. So we need to assign the address manually. Right. So for that, I'm creating a new resource that is customer sentiment, right? Variable customer sentiment description. This is a description. Next, the data type is text, the variable for output. Done. Next, to save the flow, copy, save, description, save it. Then activate it. Activate it. Okay. Now you can go here, setup, Agentforce agents, select Agentforce agents, have scope, select this, top right open builder, customer verification process. Right. Now come here, just right. Let me deactivate it first. Deactivate it. Now you can go here, click on here, new topic, add the new topic. Right. Add the new topic, customer sentiment analysis. Next, customer sentiment analysis, description. Next, scope. Next, we have two instructions. Right. Two instructions. Next, and click on here, finish. Done. Now, okay, now you can come here, click on here, add action. Add action. Type is flow. Select this one. Click on the next. Click on the next. Just loading. Input is required. Output just we can show in a conversation. Finish. Then go here, activate it. Okay, so ignore and activate. Done. So okay, so let me check this challenge. Done. So we successfully completed this batch.